Want to dock your outboard boat like a seasoned veteran? Today, we'll show you a few tools and tricks to make your day on the water a whole lot easier. Hey guys, we're gonna run through two scenarios. So first scenario here is we're gonna do it just like we do old school from the helm. We've got Captain Lance. I'm gonna serve as a mate or a family member on board the boat to help cast off and tie the lines back up when we pull back in. Let's show you how it's done. Hey Lance, do me a favor, swing the bow over so I can pull the bow line off.
Sure.
Loosen some slack here. Yep, that's good. You want me to do the stern or the spring line first?
Let's do the stern line next, please.
You've got about 5 feet at the back, okay, at the stern here. Can you back up a little? Just I got too much stress on the line here.
Okay, backing up. Is that good?
Yep, that's good. You're about 3 feet there, Captain. Okay, we're clear.
We're all clear?
Yes, sir.
Tony, do I have enough room over on the port side?
Got about 10 inches on the port side. You got plenty of space on the starboard. You're pulling close to this piling here, you're good. Okay, you're good there. Got about 8 inches, 6 inches on the stern, on the port side. You're clear on the transom. Yes, sir. So as you kind of witness here, obviously Captain Lance is a seasoned captain, but at the end of the day, he's stuck at the helm. And at the helm, you don't have the visibility, per se on this boat in specific, on the port side. He cannot gauge how far he is from the piling. Equally as well, to the stern of the boat, he cannot gauge how far back into the slip he is. So someone like myself, a boater, a mate, or a family member is the one that's having to support that. And a lot of times, these are the people that don't know how to handle the lines. And this is where situations happen that create issues on the boat. Which line should I grab first?
Let's do the spring line. Okay. How are we looking, Tony?
Need to come over the port a bit. A little bit more. You're coming close to the dock here. There you go. You got about 3 inches on this side.
Good, you got it? And I'll grab the bow line for you.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
You're all good, Tony?
Okay, you're good. Okay, so this next scenario, we're gonna watch Captain Lance do it all by himself. Single-handed operation from casting off to tying up with the wireless joystick from Yacht Controller, our Optimo model. So essentially, Lance has now powered up the Yacht Controller. It's emitting an acoustical sound, letting you know that it's now powered up and it's looking to take command. So Lance is gonna activate the Yacht Controller system and he's gonna effectively transfer power. We're now communicating on the dual band frequency. That station has now relinquished power and this is now your true active station away from the helm.
So with this Yacht Controller, I'm able to move anywhere in the boat, remove lines myself. I started drifting away from the dock, so I'm able to come back here to the back of the boat and see where the boat is moving. Now I'm back in position. I'm able to get the lines off myself. The boat is again drifting away from the dock, so I'm going to use the joystick to push me back over to keep me in position. I'm going to throw my bow line. And now I'm ready to exit the slip so I can use the Yacht Controller up here and be able to see better than having to relay it with a mate. And we'll go ahead and exit.
So as you see here now, the captain has effectively eliminated all his blind spots he's now in a position to effectively watch the port side of this cruisers, where he can see the actual distance he has from the piling to be able to effectively walk the boat away from the slip.
So now we're going to go to the back and we're going to make sure that we're clear of the dock. I can see I'm clear, so I'm able to stand back here and watch both sides. So now we're going to be docking the vessel, and we're going to do it all with the yacht controller. This enables me to be able to have control and walk around the vessel to avoid obstructions. Bring it over with side control. And we're in. I can see my bow. We're going to scoot all the way over for me to exit the vessel and tie it up.
So Lance, did you have fun?
Great time.
So as you got to see here, this was Lance's first run at using the yacht controller on outboard motor propulsion. You got to see two different situations, one where he was doing it from the helm, where he's limited obviously, and the second, despite the fact that he's a seasoned captain, eliminating those blind spots, allow him to see clearly on the port side, grab his own lines, adjust fenders, makes for a real game changer in the docking experience. For more information, visit our website, yachtcontroller.com. And of course, to see a beautiful array of the boats that MarineMax offers, MarineMax.com.